Yo, anazoba nevile nam. Members of the MK party in the KZN legislature, when they were doing that motion of no confidence, when they became disruptive, all the ones that were caught on camera, they are suspended. I think about 30. I think 36 of them are suspended. If 36 of them are suspended, that means there is one who's not suspended. And then also the EFF one, the lady is also suspended because at some point I also saw her. She was throwing water. Yeah, she's also suspended because she was also caught on camera. I'm just gonna read a little bit of the letter. Beniteke ndingayeki update. Ndiyayazi by Christmas. Bendinoniyeka ndithanda but benithe ndinganiyeki. Ndawuva ngani kuba nidikiwe. Ukhona umuntu othe, "Hey, ziziphi uthetha politics ngeChristmas?" Ndawuva ngani ke uba mandiyeka. So let me quickly read this for you guys, but I'm going to post this tomorrow on YouTube. I'm going to do a full video tomorrow on YouTube. So it says here, "Dear Honorable Member, grossly disorderly, violent and unlawful conduct of MK party members during the sitting of 15th December 2025. I refer to the above matter and wish to formally record the grave misconduct of yourself and members of Umkhonto weSizwe Party during a sitting of the House, and to notify you that, having regard to the seriousness of the conduct, I've exercised my powers in terms of standing rules to impose an appropriate sanction on yourselves and those members. During the sitting, you and the members of the MK Party, during the sitting, you and the members of the MK Party engaged in sustained, deliberate and coordinated conduct which constituted grossly disorderly behavior and a direct assault on the authority, dignity and functioning of the House. This conduct included," okay, I'm gonna read the rest of the thing when I'm posting my YouTube video. I just wanted to show you guys the basic. Oh, this is where I saw that there was also a member of the EFF. Musihle Mavoso, who is a journalist, he posted, "Yokuthi, the Speaker of KwaZulu-Natal legislator, Nontembeko Boys, says in addition to the... that means 35 members of Umkhonto weSizwe. That means there's only 2, Gesan, because there are 37 most. That means there's only 2 abangekho suspended." Nontembeko Boys says in addition to the 35 members of Umkhonto weSizwe who were suspended, an MPL of the EFF was also suspended, taking the tally to 36. Though not named by Boys, it is believed that the suspended EFF MPL is Toby Silenkosi, which is the girl Nyan Lambonak, who was caught on camera repeatedly peddling police officers with water bottles. Exactly, I saw that now. And shouting expletives. Oh! Hey! You tell me what you think, guys. That's all I wanted to update you on.